Hello, my name is Laura. I live in my van that I converted myself, and I travel with Snuffkin and my two guinea pigs. So why don't you join me on my adventures? Here on my channel, Destination Unknown. Hello. Where are we? We have just gone past Hamburg, and it took so fucking long. Like, it must have taken like an hour extra. There was so much road works everywhere. Well, on the main road, and it's the one main road that like goes around Hamburg on the side I was on anyway. And it like went into a tunnel, and the tunnel went down to like one lane, and oh my god, it took so fucking long. I was so bored. And then there's like nowhere else, there's like no way to go around, you know? Because there's water in the way, you can't like go around Hamburg, it's water. I did stop sort of in Hamburg at this park, but I didn't really like it. Ew, I got a gross spider on the hay bag. Chucked out the spider. I'm getting like stuff in here this time. Didn't have trouble with anything inside much last year. Don't like it. Anyway. Oh wait, and now, yeah, we went like another half an hour past Hamburg. I've just stopped at this big parking lot that's for a like supermarket, Familia or whatever it's called, Familia. And there's a McDonald's around the corner and like a bakery and loads of stuff, so you can fly. So yeah, I think I'm gonna stay here. There's already another camper here, and I saw another one like in the actual car park bit. Whether they're staying or not, I don't know. But we kind of park at the edge by the trees, and apparently quite a lot of campers do, and they say it's fine. And there's a toilet inside and stuff, so that's nice. Makes a change. But I think I'm going to treat myself to vegan McFlurry. Because in Germany, there's vegan McFlurry. Like, what? And I haven't had one this whole time. And it was super hot the other day. And I didn't have one because I wasn't near a McDonald's. Yeah. Oh, I got backache. Anyway, I think we're going to be in Denmark tomorrow. But it's the weekend, it's Saturday tomorrow. And the place I wanted to park was like right by the sea, and I bet it's gonna be packed, so I don't know if we're gonna go for that or not. And Bruce. Yeah. I hate the weekends when it's so busy, everyone comes out. So, especially when it's hot and I can't get away from it and can't get away from people, everyone just gets on my nerves. Makes me even more antisocial. I can hear something tapping in the bush. Anyway, see you tomorrow probably.